Mascarpone mousse with the Tia Maria. Today I will show you how to make a perfectly smooth mascarpone mousse infused with the Tia Maria. Mascarpone has a clean, dairy-rich taste with a gentle tang that balances sweetness, and when paired with a coffee liqueur it creates a flavor that's deep, rounded and slightly aromatic, like a smooth tiramisu in mousse form. This recipe built on a classic crème anglaise base, precise, balanced and ideal for the mousse cake, also known as entremet. Before begin, let's look around ingredients and key techniques. You will need a thickened cream, typically 33 to 35% fat content, Tia Maria liqueur or any other coffee liqueur, egg yolks, sugar and gelatin mass made from the gelatin powder and cold water, and cold mascarpone. If you prefer gelatin leaves, use the same weight, hydrate them in the cold water and you will achieve the same result. Now let's go through the method. Start with whisking egg yolks and sugar until just combine. In a saucepan, bring the cream and Tia Maria to a gentle simmer, hot enough to release the aroma but not boiling. Temper the egg yolks and sugar mixture with half of the hot cream while whisking, then return everything to the pot. Cook over low heat, stirring constantly with a spatula until the mixture reaches 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. I always prefer to use a thermometer rather than visual cues like the back of a spoon. Strain the mixture through the fine sieve. This catches any traces of egg whites that might have been left behind. Then transfer it to a clean bowl and add the bloom gelatin. Stir it until completely dissolved. Pour the crème anglaise into the plastic container, press clean film directly onto the surface and refrigerate for at least 5 hours or overnight. Once chilled, bring the base back to around 20 degrees Celsius or approximately 68–70 degrees Fahrenheit using a short burst in the microwave or a water bath. This step is crucial. The right temperature ensures a smooth, stable mousse. If the base is too cold, the mascarpone won't mix in properly, and because mascarpone is high in fat, it can split if whisked like a cream. This method avoids that, giving you a naturally airy, creamy texture without overmixing. Loosen the cold mascarpone gently with a whisk, then combine it with the crème anglaise. Whisk together until the mixture becomes light, glossy and uniform. That's your finished mascarpone mousse, rich, balanced and perfectly smooth, ready to be used in entremet or individual desserts.